Hi, happy buddy. Today I will draw Bluey with a brand new friend, standing side by side beneath the wide sky. While the drawing slowly appears, let's step into a tale where friendship shines, and every hello begins something magical. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel, so every friendship spark can glow forever high. Now tell me, what would you say if you met a brand new friend today? The park was bright, the breeze so sweet. Bluey skipped with light-pawed feet. She looked around, her eyes open wide, wondering who might be there to join the ride. Under a tree, a puppy stood shy, ears folded down, tail tucked by. Bluey waved. "Hello, I'm Bluey, see? Would you like to come and play with me?" The pup looked up, his smile grew small. "My name is Sunny, I don't know you at all." Bluey giggled. "That's how friends start. Just say hello with a happy heart." Bingo bounced in, her paws so quick. "Let's play tag, you'll learn the trick." Sunny blinked, then wagged his tail, his shyness broke, his joy set sail. "Can you wave your hand like Bluey too? Say hello loud. 1, 2. Imagine a friend you've never known and greet them kindly. You're not alone. They raced through grass, they climbed up high, the slides stretched tall, they touched the sky. Sunny laughed, his voice so bright. "This park is fun. My heart feels light." Bluey called, "Let's build with sand, a castle tall with careful hand." Together they shaped towers proud, their giggles lifted like a cloud. Dad looked on, his smile so wide. "Mom, look there, new friends collide." Mom replied, "It starts this way. A single smile can light the day. Can you clap 3 times with me? 1, 2, 3, friends will be. Pretend your hands can build a tower. Friendship grows with gentle power." The sun sank low, the sky turned red, but happy thoughts filled every head. Bluey sighed. "The day was grand, with Sunny here, I understand. A friend is new, a friend is sweet, a friend makes every day complete." Sunny wagged. "I'll come again, for laughter grows with every friend." They hugged so close, their joy was clear. Their bond would last from year to year. The stars appeared, the night felt kind. Bluey whispered, "Friendship shines. So close your eyes, let dreams extend of Bluey's day with her brand new friend."